called a butterfly?
Uh-huh.
A monarch?
Yeah, a monarch. Don't touch it.
Okay, I won't touch it.
Because it'll fly.
It'll fly?
Yeah.
All right. You guys spot anything?
See.
I see it. A little lizard. That's the mama lizard?
Yeah. Because that thing is fast. Yeah, and it bites really hard. Yeah. She's fast. Yeah, and it opens wide its mouth. No, if you be gentle with it, it won't bite. No, it will. Nice. No, if we do this, it will bite. If we do this to its mouth, it will bite.
It will bite?
Yeah. If we put our finger next to its mouth and wiggle it behind the gate.
Well, let's not do that.
Mom, I went behind the gate.
Well, don't.
So she can try and get that thing. Yeah.
Don't.
Don't. Mom, I'm great at climbing on gates.
Okay, but don't.
And trickstar snake. Okay.
Look. Oh, it's big.
Wait.
It's really big.
It was right there. I see its spine across its back.
So we are out this morning in the yard. This is our butterfly garden. You see all the monarchs flying around. They flew. There we go. There they go.
And it has ants.
Usually this tree is, a little while ago, it was covered. Just a minute. Okay, go wash. But it's just nice, pretty to be able to wake up and look out the window and see tons and tons of monarchs. It's so pretty, and then the kids can talk about why.
We made a butterfly garden. There.
Why are the butterflies there? What are they doing?
Collecting nectar. Don't go behind the house. We're watching. Mom, another butterfly garden.
Yes, I see.
I'm gonna go fetch Mom, you know when you have a thing, they can land like that. Butterflies like to land on.
You're playing hide and seek?
Yeah. Whale's over there. And last time, Lena went all the way.
If you get too close, they won't fly back.
I need to water.
You're playing hide and seek? I see. Well, they're flying up. So monarchs are our butterflies.
One more time.
Our state butterfly.
Take a picture of the lizard one more time.
I did.
Mom, I see one up there.
You see them? Yes, I see them flying up there.
Ooh.
Trying to capture some.
Layla.
Yes. There they
Down
go.
a butterfly. She caught.
I saw.
Where's the butterfly? It's in the jar. More butterflies. Let me make one butterfly when I go. She can make a butterfly house.
A butterfly house.
Little spring of water. A butterfly. And we touch the plants there. And we touch the plants there grow. About building birdhouses.
Okay.
We haven't built birdhouses.
So, great deal. Take them out early in the morning. Let them burn off energy. And the day will be a lot more productive.
You didn't take a picture of the lizard?
I did.
You didn't take a picture
I did.
of the baby lizard? idea. A ladybug. Where? Oh, it's changed into a ladybug. Ew, that's gross. That's gross. Where? A ladybug. Mom, Layla's taking the nectar out the butterfly garden.
Okay, she won't.
I'm taking the nectar out because. But what if they can't? Hey, Mom, look.
Okay.
Get it? A ladybug.
So,
I'm gonna go find a ladybug, Mom.
you going to find a ladybug?
Mom,
Yes.
that's gross.
That's gross.
Yeah, we
What?
don't want to feed it.
Why is it gross?
Because they're gross.
Oh no.
We don't want to eat them.
We don't want to eat them.
Mom, what is that?
I'm not sure.
Is it spinner?
Mm-hmm.
That's spin. Oh, make it stop. We got a mountain tail. Like you got here, and I'll count. I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got the girl, and Trey touched it, and it ran away. The letter ran away. So,
You hiding?
we were playing hide and seek.
You playing hide and seek?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. They're big.
Mom, you're a big.
I'm big. Okay.
I just got the stick behind the gate.
You did.
That's bigger than you. My mom's not bigger than my dad.
Food
Can I go get some? You want to take a picture of the lizard?
from right here.
Okay. How there's only leaves, there's grass over there.
Okay, go get a couple of pieces.
It's right here. No!
So
Ah!
they have been learning about the food chain. They collected their lizard, their baby lizard,
Yeah.
and now they are feeding the lizard. Where's the lizard? In the house?
No, Leah got it. Leah!
Where's your lizard? Let me see.
And it changes colors.
It changes colors.
It turns
Chameleon.
green. Yeah. Hey guys, look! And if you do this to it, it will open its mouth.
Okay, well don't do that to it so it won't open its
No,
mouth.
Trey did that.
Okay.
There you go.
You can go. You can go. Go get some grass for him.
She does have a
Let
shirt.
me see it.
Let me see.
It's a gecko?
Yeah. Lila, put your hand upside down.
No, that's fine. Just like that. It doesn't need to jump out on me.
Mom, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, because it was crawling on my shirt. No, lizards don't jump out on people.
No.
They only want to play. And when I caught it and when I squeezed the belly,
What?
the mouth started
To open. Well, don't squeeze
yeah,
them.
like this.
Okay, well, don't squeeze them.
Okay.
Don't hurt them.
And then there was skin on his tail, and I got it off.
Okay.
Skin? Yeah. He's asleep.
He
I
does
think-
look a little cute, huh?
Yeah, he looks cute. I want to hold it. Okay. I want to hold it.
Come in here and I'm
Why
in the
did
middle of...
but if you press on his tail, watch. It's a lie. Watch.
Yes, alive.
See.
Catch it. No, because
I got
it'll
it.
go fast. Don't let it... You guys, that thing is fast.
I think that's going to turn into a frog.
Like, you think it's going to turn into a frog?
Yeah, because it's hopping.
Yeah, it's really fast. That's the one I saw out there. So don't let it go because it crawls really fast.
You saw that?
Okay, go take it to your container, okay?
We don't, Mommy. Wait, Mom. We can use it in that one.
Okay.
Up there. We can use it in that one. Mom, you know, little baby lizards like playing on our fingers.
Okay.
Can we put it in that?
Okay.
Okay.
Can you get it down?
Wait, I can.
They all went outside and left you, and they're supposed to be in here. Are you getting back in?
Mom, I gotta get them.
You have to get them?
I gotta get them. They saw big tarantulas.
Well, don't go outside.
Yeah, no, Layla was scared and I was ready. I just ran.
Okay. Close the door.
Oh. Mom, you want to see it crawling there? Because it's really real. What? You got a top on the table. See?
Okay. Why is the lid over here on the...
Mom, why won't you let it crawl on you? Because they're really gentle.
That's all right. I don't want it to crawl on me. You let it crawl on you.
Mom, there's no need to be afraid.
I'll pass.
Mom, you want to touch it?
I'll pass.
Layla. Okay. See? He's very good. Can you blow this balloon up?
You can wait a minute.
That's mine.
I want y'all to pick that stuff up. That chair's getting ready to go in the trash.
Pick what up? Crawl through the balloon.
Be careful.
Mom, you should get
Pop the pig. Okay.
Yeah, and it's gonna pop.
All right, we'll get it.
It pops.
I think I said that a long time ago and I forgot to get it.
See, it sticks. It's sticking. Let me put this in. Oh.
All right.
I think it wants to crawl. This is cool.
You already blowing it up and you asking me to blow it up. You blew it up already.
Tie that.
Okay.
No, I'm telling Mom to tie that. Tie it. Tie it.